Welcome to Raj Malhotra's IAS Academy. I'm Surbhi Sardana and this is Prelim Sprint 2022 where we teach you the most essential topics you need to learn to crack prelims this year. कल हमने environmental legislations और acts पढ़े थे वो वीडियो 2 पार्ट्स में आई थी, एक 5 o'clock पे, एक 9 o'clock पे, and all the important environmental acts and legislations were covered. Today we'll be taking a topic from modern history which is again very important. आपको statements eliminate करने में या अगर direct question आ जाता है उसको solve करने में this topic will be very helpful for you for eliminating statements. This is important sessions of Indian National Congress. We'll be doing only the pre-independence sessions starting from 1885 जो कि कांग्रेस का पहला सेशन था उससे लेकर 1947 तक जो भी important sessions हुए हैं, क्या क्या important decisions लिए गए हैं, that will be covering quickly in this video. So this is the map. When you download the PDF from the link given in the description below, it will take you to our Telegram channel and you can zoom on the map and see the location. अगर आपको नहीं पता है कि बॉम्बे कहाँ located है, मद्रास कहाँ है या कैलकाटा कहाँ है, you can download the PDF and check it out for yourself. ये सारे sessions कांग्रेस के ईयर के अकॉर्डिंग दिए गए हैं. So starting with the first session जो था कांग्रेस का, that was held in 1885 and it was held in Bombay. इसके जो प्रेसिडेंट थे ही वॉज WC बैनर्जी और वोमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी. इसकी जो अटेंडेंस थी इट वाज वेरी लो, सिर्फ 100 लोगों ने भी अटेंड नहीं किया था. इट वाज जस्ट 72 डेलीगेट्स. एंड जैसे किसी भी फर्स्ट सेशन में होता है कि ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आउटलाइन किए जाते हैं कि कौन क्या कैसे करेगा. सो सिमिलरली फॉर दिस फर्स्ट सेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द कांग्रेस वर आउटलाइंड. Moving on, the next session was in 1886 and it was held in Calcutta here. So इसके जो प्रेसिडेंट थे ही वॉज दादा भाई नारोजी. ही वॉज अ वेरी पॉपुलर nationalist leader of that time, very popular economist and a very popular political leader as well. So he was very popular amongst the masses also. The president was Dada Bhai Naoroji and there were a lot of delegates in the second session. 72 से 436 हो गए. And what happened was बहुत सारी political associations कांग्रेस के आने से पहले थी. One of them was National Conference. So National Congress merged with National Conference in this particular session. 1887 a very important session. It was held in Madras. आप देखेंगे the highest number of Congress sessions have been held in बॉम्बे, कैलकाटा एंड मद्रास. तो ये जो सिर्फ आपने इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें याद रखनी है, अदरवाइज द हाईएस्ट नंबर वर बीइंग हेल्ड हियर. अदर बाकी जो इंपॉर्टेंट लोकेशंस है वो यहाँ पे डिस्कस की जाएंगी. द प्रेसिडेंट वाज इस कांग्रेस सेशन के लिए आपको याद रखना दैट द फर्स्ट मुस्लिम प्रेसिडेंट of any Congress session was there in 1887. He was Mr. Badruddin Tayyab ji. And in this session, since the president was a Muslim, appeal was made to Muslims to join hands with other nationalist leaders कि वो भी कांग्रेस में इकट्ठे हो जाए और सब इकट्ठे मिलकर अपना जो पॉलिटिकल आउटलुक है ब्रिटिशर्स के आगे पेश करें. In 1888, the next session was held and it was in Allahabad. Again, very important, the first Englishman presided the session. He was George Yule and he was the first Englishman, पहले white man थे who presided a Congress session in 1888 Allahabad. Again in 1898, the important part about this session is कि देखिए हर सेशन का कुछ ना कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंस होता है कि फॉर सम सेशन द लोकेशन विल बी इम्पॉर्टेंट, फॉर सम सेशन द प्रेसिडेंट विल बी इम्पॉर्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल question is recurrent, for example about which was the session where Mahatma Gandhi presided the INC session. So and where was it held. So कईयों के लिए presidency important होती है, कईयों के लिए location important होती है and most of the times questions are asked about the what happened in that session. उस सेशन में हुआ क्या. So you have to categorize कि हर एक सेशन का president याद नहीं रखना है. You will not be able to remember the president of every session or the location of every session. Only the important ones are discussed here. Important ones में भी आपने देखना है कि इसमें important क्या है, क्या किसी important personality की बात हो रही है या किसी important fact को stress देने की कोशिश की जा रही है. That's all and don't stress over this topic very much. So 1898 Madras, president was Rahit Mullah N. Saini. And national song, see this is the important part here, national song, that is Vande Mataram, that was sung for the first time. And second important part is social reform was set as the main goal of Congress. In fact Congress में ही एक socialist wing बन गया था जो कि social reform carry out करता था under the leadership of many important personalities of that time. So this session becomes very important, and these two are the points important in this regard. The presidency and the location is not important here. Moving on, the 1901 Calcutta session. वैसे तो इतना important session नहीं है, but most of us do not know, and it's not given in many books, that Mahatma Gandhi attended Congress session for the first time in 1901. Before he returned to India and joined the nationalist movement of India or the freedom struggle of India, उससे पहले महात्मा गांधी ने Congress session attend किया था, and the first session he attended was in 1901 in Calcutta, and it was presided by Dinshaw E. Wacha. And यहाँ पर here Mahatma Gandhi met many of the most important political leaders of that time. So he for the first time attended a Congress session. He did not join it. Here he met leaders like Sir Firoz Shah Mehta, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Gopal Krishna Gokhale, most importantly, which he termed as his political guru. Then in 1905, अब जो है 1905 के बाद after 1905 till 1911, Congress sessions will be in relation to the partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement, or the partition of this movement into the partition of Congress into moderates and extremists, and till 1916 ये चीज़ आपको देखने को मिलेगी. So 1905 Banaras, again location is not important. It was presided by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. He expressed resentment against partition of Bengal. It was expressed in the entire Congress session. This is just to contain that continuity in your timeline when you are reading modern history. An introduction of Swadeshi movement concept happened in 1905 क्योंकि 1905 में partition of Bengal was in action. So it was which was rejected by moderates कि Swadeshi movement will not be put into action. In 1906, it was held in Calcutta and presided by Dadabhai Naoroji. He was respected by both the sides. So the word Swaraj was mentioned for the first time here, and Dadabhai Naoroji declared that the aim of Congress from now on will be to attain Swaraj for India, like that of United Kingdom colonies. British colonies United Kingdom में भी थी, UK में भी थी, but they had their own independent rights. They were not like serving under the British rule. They were independent colonies. They had Swaraj. So Dadabhai Naoroji had travelled around the world, and he knew that UK की जो colonies है वहाँ पर स्वराज है, वहाँ पर उनके rights हैं, वहाँ पर they are independent. So here under his presidentship, he declared the aim of Congress to be Swaraj, like that of UK colonies from now on. In 1907, it was held in Surat, and the president was Raj Bihari Ghosh. The Indian National Congress here in 1907, a split was held into two sides, into moderates and extremists. Moderates were headed by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, and extremists were obviously headed by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now what you have to remember is कि Congress का जब भी कोई session होता था, whatever sessions of Congress were held, जहाँ पर भी वो सेशन है, वॉट एवर प्रोविंस, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ अ कांग्रेस सेशन इज़ बीइंग हेल्ड इन कैलकटा, तो जो उसका प्रेजिडेंट है, द प्रेजिडेंट ऑफ कांग्रेस सेशन फॉर दैट ईयर व्हेन इट इज़ बीइंग हेल्ड इन कैलकटा, द प्रेजिडेंट कैन नॉट कम फ्रॉम कैलकटा. दिस वाज अ रूल. सो जब 1907 में भी सेशन रखा गया था, सो बाल गंगाधर तिलक बिलोंग टू दिस एरिया, सो ही कुड नॉट बिकम द प्रेजिडेंट. तो ये काफ़ी सारा there were a lot of problems between moderates and extremists, because extremists wanted Bal Gangadhar Tilak to preside the Congress session कि वो president बने, and तभी हमारे अकॉर्डिंग जो डिसीजंस हैं वो आ सकेंगे, बट दिस wasn't happening. The session was held in सूरत, and राज बिहारी घोष was the president there, and यहाँ पर कांग्रेस स्प्लिट कर गई थी दो सेक्ट्स में, that was moderates and extremists. And then in 1916 लखनऊ सेशन जब हुआ था, then both of the sides came together and joined hands. मूविंग ऑन, इन 1911 में बंगाल का रीमर्जर हो गया था, पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल वाज कैंसल, इट वाज एनल्ड. सो द सेशन वाज हेल्ड इन कैलकटा, एंड इसी टाइम पे आपकी जो कैपिटल है वो भी शिफ्ट हो गई थी दिल्ली में इन 1911. सो हियर द प्रेजिडेंट वाज पंडित बिशन नारायण धर, एंड नेशनल एंथम जन गण मन वाज संग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन 1911. दैट्स ऑल यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. In 1916, again Lucknow, Ambika Charan Majumdar was the president. And after, see, this is one of the most important sessions. Just remember all what happened. Here, Muslims came together to join hands with the Congress, and the concept of separate electorates, it was decided कि separate electorates रहेंगे until unless a community comes forward and demands joint electorates. So the separate electorates started here. In the Lucknow Pact, it was agreed on principle of separate electorates until a community demanded a joint electorate. And after a lapse of about 10 years, both the moderates and extremists, जो कि 1907 सूरत session में अलग हो गए थे, they came together and they united at this session. Congress and Muslim League decided to make a united demand for self-government. Why did they come together? Because separate electorates were agreed to. Remember the president also here, remember the location. Obviously by the name of Lucknow Pact, you will be able to remember this. Remember the year and remember the president. In 1917, the session is important because this was the first time that Congress session was headed by a woman president. Annie Besant was not Indian, but she was the first woman to lead a Congress session. So it was held in Calcutta. It was presided by Annie Besant, and it was presided by a woman for the first time. The next time it was presided by Sarojini Naidu. She was the first Indian woman to preside a Congress session. We'll do that also. But first of all, in 1920, see 1920 tak, Mahatma Gandhi had come into picture by that time and he had joined hands with the Congress. तो यहाँ से 1920 से जो Congress join करने का तरीका था, the procedure of joining Congress had become very democratic. गांव-गांव में जाकर कांग्रेस मेंबरशिप लोगों को मिल रही थी एंड कांग्रेस मेंबरशिप हैड बिकम वेरी चीपली अवेलेबल. आई थिंक द रेट वाज 1 आना फॉर बिकमिंग अ मेंबर ऑफ कांग्रेस. सो इट वाज नॉट एन एलीट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एनीमोर. It was presided by Lala Lajpat Rai here, and Gandhian program was adopted and change in Congress constitution. Membership kaise hogi, what will be the goals of Congress, they were changed here. So 1920 is very important. In 1922, around this time, non-cooperation movement had ended. Chauri Chaura incident had taken place. So Congress में ही दो parts थे, Swarajist and people who wanted to join the legislative councils and people who wanted to just work for social cause. So Gaya session में 1922 under the presidentship of Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, formation of Congress Khilafat Swaraj Party was there to enter into the legislative councils. Again this this was again ये disperse हो गई थी party बाद में, but the formation of this party took place because it was agreed that yes, some people need to enter the legislative councils and it's better कि हम उनको कांग्रेस का agreement देकर ही enter करवा दे rather than inviting another split within the Congress. In 1924, Belgaum session. This is very important because it was the first and only session that was presided by Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the president here. It was held in Belgaum. So Belgaum is located somewhere here. When you download this, you will see the year also when a Congress session was held. It is marked here in 1924. So moving on, in 1925, the session was held in Kanpur and it was presided by Sarojini Naidu. She was the first woman president. It was the first session to be presided by an Indian lady. So the first one was by Annie Besant. That was by any lady, किसी भी lady ने Annie Besant से पहले Congress session की president नहीं बनी थी. And in 1925, Sarojini Naidu became the first woman president of Congress, of a Congress session. In 1929, again very important, civil disobedience movement के around ये session थे. तो अभी के जो sessions हैं around Gandhi Irwin Pact, civil disobedience movement, they are very important. Around the round table conferences also, these sessions are very important. In 1929, it was held in Lahore, now in Pakistan. The president was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. पूर्ण स्वराज या कंप्लीट इंडिपेंडेंस का जो गोल था, दैट रेजोल्यूशन एंड प्लेज रेजोल्यूशन वाज पास्ड, पूर्ण स्वराज रेजोल्यूशन वाज पास्ड and it was decided कि Independence Day, the session was held in December 1929, तो एक महीने बाद, that is in January 1930, it was decided that a pledge for Independence Day was taken कि 26 January 1930 को we'll wave our national flag and we'll fly our national flag and ये इंडिपेंडेंस रेजोल्यूशन जो था वो अडॉप्ट किया गया था एंड इट वाज डिसाइडेड दैट इंडिपेंडेंस डे विल बी सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन द नेक्स्ट वेरी मंथ. इन द नेक्स्ट वेरी मंथ दैट वाज ऑन 26 January of 1930. The decision to launch a civil disobedience movement to achieve complete independence, it was given कि अगर हमारी demands को agree नहीं किया गया, then we'll launch a civil disobedience movement. And Nehru became the president. He was very young at that time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and he became the president of Congress for the first time. And he also nominated 12-year-old Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was 12-year-old at that time. He nominated the first volunteer for civil disobedience movement as his own daughter. So this was the story behind this. In 1931, the session was held in Karachi and the president was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, again in Pakistan. Resolution on fundamental rights and the national economic program was passed. You know, when you are reading that resolution, ये तो important है ही, that you have to know that when was resolution on fundamental rights and national economic program was passed. You have to know this, but you have to do these two parts also in detail if you are preparing for prelims this year. Then just prepare that what all were the fundamental rights that were listed in this resolution. It is there in the books that you are following, very easily available. And also national economic program में क्या क्या features थे that was passed in this 1931 session of Congress held in Karachi. Location is important here. So the important parts here were कि universal adult franchisee देने का idea था. It was not there in many parts of the world at that time. You know, it was there only with the elite classes. या women को तो consider ही नहीं किया जाता था. So writing it down that universal adult franchisee will be given was a very you know, positive and a very progressive step. लिविंग वेज, यू नो, जो हम लोग एक यूनिवर्सल बेसिक इनकम की बात आज तक करते हैं, विच इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया, दैट वाज पुट देयर इन द रेजोल्यूशन पास देयर इन. कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अ लिविंग वेज वाज पास. फ्री एंड कंपल्सरी प्राइमरी एजुकेशन, जो कि अब हमने RT एक्ट के थ्रू इंश्योर कर दी है. सो Gandhi-Irwin Pact was endorsed by the Congress in this session. It was agreed to, and Mahatma Gandhi was nominated. First round table conference से कोई भी nominee नहीं गया था कांग्रेस का. In the second round table conference, it was decided that Mahatma Gandhi will represent the Indian National Congress. So he was nominated to represent Congress in the second round table conference at this Karachi session of 1931. Next session that is important is of 1934 Bombay, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president here. He urged the Congress to adopt socialism as his goal, because you know socialism से ही development होती है, and socialist countries were progressing at that time कि जिन जिन countries में socialism था वहाँ के citizens बहुत खुश थे. So he urged the Congress to adopt socialism as its goal, and Congress Socialist Party was there under Jayaprakash Narayan and Acharya Narendra Dev. The next one is 1936 session of Faizpur. It was presided by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and this was the first session in a village. And here, यहाँ से demand for Constituent Assembly, it started from here itself in 1936 itself. The next one is the 1939 session of Tripuri. It was held under the presidentship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. This is also popular for the Tripuri crisis. What was the Tripuri crisis? That Subhash Chandra Bose was elected as the president of this session, but Mahatma Gandhi did not want him to be the president. He wanted someone else, and then at the end Mr. Subhash Chandra Bose resigned from the presidentship of Congress for that particular session, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad took his place. So he was re-elected but had to resign due to protest by Gandhiji. As Gandhiji supported Dr. Pattabhi Sitaramaiah, Rajendra Prasad was appointed in his place. The Congress from here dissociated itself from the British policy which supported fascism in Europe. So 1939 तक काफ़ी चीज़ें clear होने लगी थी, and Congress disassociated itself from the British policy. कि जब fascism carry out कर रहे हैं यूरोप में, we're not associated with that. So you know, as we seen the previous session also, कि demand of Constituent Assembly was rising, and Congress was seeing clearly कि the British government is supporting fascism. So from here on, the freedom struggle started taking its actual shape. In 1946, 1939 के बाद वर्ल्ड वॉर शुरू हो गई थी, एंड देर आर नॉट वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट सेशंस. एक क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट का 1942 सेशन है. उसके बाद दैट वाज आल्सो अ मीटिंग आफ्टर विच ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट लीडर्स वर अरेस्टेड. You go through the Quit India movement, there is nothing important about that session, just the Quit India movement part is important. And उसके बाद freedom struggle was in its full form, and there was this 1946 session जब constitution बन रहा था, constituent assembly बन चुकी थी. So in Meerut, under the presidentship of J.B. Kripalani, objective resolutions was passed by Jawaharlal Nehru, and again it turned out to be the the base of forming our constitution. Objective resolutions का जो document है वो इस session में pass हुआ था. In 1948, after independence, the session was held in Jaipur, and again Dr. Pattabhi Sitaramayya was the president here, and it was the first Indian National Congress after independence. Apart from these, there are no important Congress sessions that you need to freak out about your exam. So just download the PDF for this document from the link in the description or directly from our Telegram channel. The document for the previous session, that was about important environmental acts and legislations, one of the most important topic for this year's prelims. That is also available. Both the videos are available. So download the documents, keep revising, keep working hard, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, this is the right time. All the best.